There are 3 technological trends that are reshaping mechanical design. And today we're going to be talking about the changes to material properties. All right, let's talk about material properties. Now, this certainly is a lever that mechanical engineers can pull with respect to design. You can pick different materials to fulfill different things like requirements or addressing performance issues. The biggest challenge or limitation here is that to date, most of that has been homogeneous in terms of material properties itself. It's the same no matter which kind of direction you're looking at. So the real way that you affect higher level performance of the design or component is you change the shape. That's, macro geometry modeling is the lever that you can pull to affect performance of the design. But that's really changing in the last few years. And let's look at why. Now, as part of this series, we have covered macro geometry modeling and micro geometry modeling, but now we're going to be focusing on material properties. Now, the idea here is that an engineer can actually specify how material properties change according to a function or equation, and use that in combination with additive manufacturing. So the idea here is you can have the material properties change in according to a certain axis within your part. You could change it with multiple axes, or perhaps even vary it with respect to different equations or formula. Say within certain constraints or within a certain geometric area like a sphere, the material properties could be different than an outer one. So this is manifesting in a lot of different ways. You see 3D printers now with multi-material printing, where you can have multiple materials within one component. We are quickly approaching the time when you could mix different powders, and the different powders have different material properties, and when you mix them, you get new composite material properties. So with additive manufacturing, it's really opening up a whole new world of capability there. So what does this mean for mechanical design? Well, alongside micro geometry modeling, this is now another lever that mechanical engineers can pull to affect requirement satisfaction and performance issues. You can actually have the same exact shape. You can even have, not include any micro geometry modeling like with lattices and stuff like that. You have the same exact shape, vary the material properties along its length or maybe in its center, maybe make it harder, maybe make it softer, and dramatically affect how the exact same geometric shape has different performance properties: stiffness, deflection, natural frequency, all these outcomes that you really care about when it comes to mechanical performance. That covers material properties as one of the things that is affecting the future of mechanical design. If you want to catch the other 2 things, make sure that you follow or subscribe to catch the rest of the series. That's it. Take care and talk soon.